अच्छा, ये तो प्रिंटेड हो रहा है साइड में।
Good morning.
Good morning, Vitra. It's afternoon, by the way. Good afternoon. Where are the other students? Nobody has joined yet. Which class was going on before this?
Ma'am, English CW.
Okay. Sarthak, work completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Submitted है.
Sarthak is submitted. Vivan, what's the
Ma'am, I had
status of
done
the
the
work?
work but not submitted.
Okay, submitted when you
Ma'am, for my work, three long answers are left.
by when will they be completed, Vivan? By when?
Ma'am, I will complete it by today evening.
By evening.
You will get the copy on Monday.
I really looking forward to it. I hope so. अभिनव यादव ने तो सबमिट कर दिया गुड बॉय की तरह। आरव, आपका क्या सीन है?
Ma'am of civics.
Yeah. I think also of history.
हम कंप्लीट है. मैम उसके थोड़े से क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं है civics के.
Then please complete and please come with your notebooks on Monday and please remember that on Monday I'll be correcting your notebooks.
Okay ma'am.
Good. कहाँ रह गए सब? Only you people are here. क्या पढ़ाऊँ मैं 10 बच्चों में? Where are the students? आधे तो क्रिकेट खेलने आ गए होंगे. मेरे साथ है. Where are your friends? Best friends कहाँ है?
मैं यशवंत गोवा में है, मोशन सो रहा है.
ओहो, तो उठा लीजिए मोक्षित को अभिनव. Please give him a wake up call. Where is Shaurya Tyagi these days? He did not even come to school. Sarthak Agarwal, where is Shaurya Tyagi?
Ma'am, he had joined 2 or 3 classes during the day, not all.
Okay.
हम सुबह तो मैसेज कर रहा था, कहते काम मांग रहा था, बट पता नहीं कहाँ.
Okay.
और सुबह वाली क्लास भी करी थी, एक दो मैथ्स ही करी थी और जीके की भी करी थी.
Hmm. So, from all the 3 sections, we have only 12 students. So let's wait for 2 minutes more. Let's see how many are joining. Otherwise, we'll be beginning with the chapter. मतलब जहाँ तक कर रहा था वहां से कंटिन्यू करना शुरू कर देंगे. आई थिंक वी हैव डन टिल वर्नाकुलर प्रेस एक्ट वाला तो हो गया था ना हमारा. उसके बाद से करना है हमें फॉर्मेशन ऑफ आईएनसी. So let's get started. I think enough time we have waited. Fine, children. So we have to begin with the formation of INC, right? What is INC? Can anyone tell me? Yes, Abhinav.
Indian National Congress.
INC refers to the Indian National Congress. Can any one of you tell me who founded the INC?
AOU.
Well
AOU.
done, Sarthak. It was founded by AOU. In which year?
1875.
1885.
18.
85 होगा.
Right? So it Congress is the earliest is the one of the is the first political party of India which was formed during the freedom struggle. It was the only party, right, which fought for India's freedom struggle, right? And it is very ironic that this party was formed by a Britisher named A.O. Hume, who was the first president of this party.
हम व्योमेश चंद्र बनर्जी.
Vyomesh Chandra Banerjee, WC Banerjee. Okay, so these are the basic details of the party which we must know and we should not forget if we are planning to go for any further examinations in our future, right? Because these are the kind of questions which are asked in the competitive exams. वहाँ पे आपसे पूछा जाता है which is the oldest party, when was it formed, who was the founder, who was the president, etc., etc. Right? चलिए सार्थक read about the INC. I request you all to keep your cameras on, otherwise, one by one, I'll start removing you from the meeting. I'm giving you 2 minutes time. By 2:30, everybody's cameras should be on.
From where do we have to start?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Tuti.
My camera is not working.
Okay. INC.
From the origin of the Indian National Congress.
Exactly, yes.
The need for an all-India organization had been felt under earlier, but Albert Bell controversy dependent the desires. So in
देखो उन्हें पहले से ही
1985,
लग रहा था कि देखो पहले भी उन्हें रियलाइज होता है कि भाई अब एक कोई ऑल इंडिया पार्टी की रिक्वायरमेंट तो है, ठीक है। बट अभी की जो रीसेंट कंट्रोवर्सीज जिनकी हमने बात की थी, ब्रिटिशर्स और इंडियंस की जो चल रही थी, उन कंट्रोवर्सीज ने इस नीड को और भी गहरा बना दिया। मतलब लगी अब तो भाई चाहिए ही चाहिए। नाउ वी कैन नॉट डू विदाउट। जसकरण कैमरा ऑन करिए, विवान, अभिनव, आयुष्मान। हम्म।
so in 1885, the Indian National Congress (INC) was formed by A.O. Hume, a retired English civil servant.
Please underline
In
these
all,
points. It was started in 1885. It was started by A.O. Hume, who was a retired British civil servant.
in all 72 delegates from all presidencies and provinces of the India met at Bombay. Vyomesh Chandra Banerjee, a barrister from Bengal, was the first
A
president
barrister from Bengal.
from Bengal was the first president of the Congress. The Governor General, Lord Dufferin, blessed the Congress. He thought that the Congress would be a good forum for the government to keep itself informed regarding the best Indian public opinion.
Right? So these people thought that through a political party, Indians would be able to raise their demands, to put their voice in the right direction, and would be able to reach the correct people. Well, finally, now the demands of the Indians would have a voice and they could be heard with the help of the Congress party.
Main aims of the Congress. The first session of the Congress met at Bombay. The main aims of the Indian National Congress were as under. to promote friendly relations between nationalist and political workers throughout the country.
लेकिन उनका मानना था कि जितने भी पॉलिटिकल वर्कर्स, जितने भी नेशनल, उन सबके बीच में हेल्थी रिलेशन रहने चाहिए, मतलब आपस में कोई एनिमिटी नहीं होनी चाहिए, अदरवाइज वी वोंट बी एबल टू वर्क टू कम टुगेदर एंड फाइट अगेंस्ट our common enemy. So if we are fighting towards a common enemy, then we should ensure that there is no enmity between us and we should work in complete harmony.
To develop and consolidate a feeling of national unity, to formulate popular demands and place these before the government, to organize and train public opinion in the country. The beginning of an organized national movement. With the birth of the Indian National Congress in 1885, there began the era of organized national movement.
राइट, सो ये
Our
जो
national
पॉलिटिकल
movement,
पार्टी, जो कांग्रेस का बर्थ था, राइट, द बर्थ ऑफ कांग्रेस स्टार्टेड द एरा ऑफ नेशनल मूवमेंट्स. इसके बाद से ही कहीं ना कहीं सब ऑर्गेनाइज हो गए. व्हेन दे वर ऑल ऑर्गेनाइज, दे स्टार्टेड कमिंग टुगेदर, फाइटिंग फॉर द कॉमन कॉज. इसके बाद बहुत सारी मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हुई, लाइक द स्वराज मूवमेंट, लाइक द सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट, नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट. सार्थक अग्रवाल और अभिनव यादव, तुम लोग को मैं यहाँ से देख के बता सकती हूँ कि तुम लोग बातें कर रहे हो, चाहे कैमरा ऑन करो या ऑफ करो.
मैं नहीं कर रहा।
मैं बस बता रही हूँ, घर पे आके पिटाई कर दूंगी दोनों की. आ रही है बस
नहीं नहीं,
समझ
मैं
में? अभिनव
तीनों
यादव है.
आरव गुप्ता भी है।
आरफ तो फिर भी साइलेंटली बैठा है, उसकी शक्ल में नहीं दिख रहा, बट तुम लोग की शक्ल पे तो साफ दिख रहा है.
हम सबसे
मैम
ज्यादा
वही तो
मैसेज
मैसेज कर
कर
रहे
रहा
हैं, वही
है।
तो कर रहे हैं।
हम मेरे 2300 मैसेजेस हैं, कुछ पढ़ ही नहीं रहा हूँ मैं। ये दोनों मैसेज करे जा रहे हैं।
मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट भेजा जरा. अगर तुमने नहीं
हम
किया ये भी
फोन
मैसेज आता है तो मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट भेज
फोन
दो.
नहीं है मेरे पास।
अच्छा 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 अच्छा. किस बात का डर लग गया अभिनव यादव?
We just take the screenshot from laptop.
चुप
या,
रहे हो।
सी भव्या has given you
We
an
have to
idea.
just press. We have to just press PRT SCT, and if
हम ग्रुप डिलीट हो गया, ग्रुप डिलीट हो गया, अब मैसेज नहीं है मेरे पास, गए।
ये अभिनव वही तो करने गया था.
I would like to give this golden opportunity to read to Mr. Bhavya.
You don't give
Bhavya,
any
start
opportunity
reading.
to anyone. You should not give. You have no authority to give the opportunity to anyone. अभिनव यादव, तुम मुंह बना रहे हो ना, इतनी थप्पड़ पड़ेगा ना इसी मुंह पे.
हम धूप सेक रहे हैं और काला हो जाएगा।
शट अप. स्टूपिड. क्लास चल रही है, रीड कर रहे हो और चैटिंग कर रहे हैं. अच्छा, पूरे दिन तो बात करने का टाइम मिल नहीं पाता एक दूसरे से. कीप योर कैमरास ऑन ऑल द बॉयज.
मैं कैमरा ऑन कर रहा हूँ, डिस्चार्ज होने लग रहा है बार बार।
अच्छा, all the boys are supposed to keep the cameras on. Vivan, why haven't you turned the camera on?
मैम हंसी आ रही है।
तुम कैमरे पे तो वैसे ही हंसते, हम लोग हंस लो. Keep your camera on, Vivan. I have said all the boys are supposed to keep the cameras on. Ayushman Saxena and Anshrat Singh and Ara. Did you hear me? Is there any confusion? At times, words like your action speaks for yourself. चलो ठीक है. आयुष्मान तो कौन कर दिया. हाँ भाई. अब ये गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी मैं देना चाहती हूँ विवान शर्मा को, इनकी हंसी रोकने के लिए. पढ़िए विवान शर्मा.
मैम फ्रॉम द मॉडरेटर।
नहीं, कहाँ पे छोड़ा सा था?
On the second last line of the paragraph,
देन
the
कंप्लीट द
beginning of
पैराग्राफ यू फर्स्ट, उसके बाद पढ़ेगा विवान. कंप्लीट करो सार्थक.
our national movement can be divided into three eras, namely the modern era from 1885 to 1905. Second, the assertive era from 1905 to 1990, and the Gandhian era from 1919 to 1947. Each of these eras had its own demands, methodology, and prominent leaders.
So, do you know what is the meaning of these era? What do you know? The moderate era, the assertive era. What do they mean? बताइए. Yes, Abhinav.
Era means a specific period from one time to another time.
ये तो हम सबको पता
Period
है.
of time.
ये तो हमें भी पता है. ये तो इन बच्चों को ही पता होगा. What we're asking is, what do you mean by moderate? Well, why have they named it as moderate era and extremist era or aggressive era or assertive era? Why? You know
मैम
that.
इस टाइम पे मैम ये अग्रेसिव फेज होता है मॉडरेट वाला, मॉडरेट सॉरी मैम, मॉडरेट वाला सॉरी मैम वो असर्टिव होता है। तो
क्या?
मॉडरेट में लोग मैम मॉडरेट में लोग पीस से वो प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं और बोलते हैं उनको पीस से हटाने के लिए, पर जब वो मानते नहीं है फिर असर्टिव एरा आता है जिसमें वो लड़ाई करते हैं। उसके बाद गांधीयन एरा आता है,
हमें
वो गांधी
गांधी
जी उसमें कुछ
बोलते
करते हैं।
हैं, कोई एक थप्पड़ मारे तो दूसरा गाल आगे कर दो. नॉन वायलेंस एरा.
और मैम अगर अगर दूसरा गाल लाल हो जाए तो पहला गाल गाल आगे कर दो, क्योंकि तब तक गाल।
वेरी फनी. हाउ वुड यू बी सो फनी भव्य? इतनी हंसी मैं कैसे रुकूं अब? क्या करूं मैं इस हंसी का? चलिए. Right. So yes, Jaskaran is right. He just couldn't frame his words properly. In the moderate era, the like even if we talk about the Congress, further the Congress was divided into two groups. That were the moderates and the extremists. Right? Have you heard the name Lal Bal Pal? Do you know who these three people are?
लाल गंगाधर तिलक,
Lala Lajpat Rai.
हम लाला लाजपत राय, बाल गंगाधर तिलक, बिपिन चंद्र पाल।
Very good, Islam, right? So Lal Bal Pal stands for Lala Lajpat Rai, right? Or Bipin Chandra Pal, Lal
बाल
Bal,
गंगाधर तिलक
Bal
एंड
Gangadhar
बिपिन चंद्र
Tilak,
पाल।
right? So these three people were what? Were they extremists or were they moderates?
I'm assertive.
Yes, they were assertives or extremists. They believed that we need to take an action against these Britishers, otherwise they won't leave us. सिर्फ प्ली और प्लीट से काम नहीं चलेगा. वहीं पे कुछ ऐसे लीडर्स थे जिनका मानना था कि नहीं, लड़ाई झगड़े से हमें कुछ नहीं मिल पाएगा, हमें सिर्फ रिक्वेस्ट करनी चाहिए, पिटिशंस फाइल करने चाहिए और प्लीड करना चाहिए. So during the moderate era, we have done only this. We have just pleaded, we have filed petitions, we have requested. बहुत प्यार से मनाने की कोशिश की गई. फिर उसके बाद एक्सट्रीमिस्ट को लगा कि अब आपसे कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा. Now let us do the real work. Right. Then they believe that now we actually have to get on our aggressive side. We have to show them that we also have aggression and we can also be as ruthless as you are. So then they became the extremist. And उस टाइम पे जब टाइम पीरियड को कहा गया था एक्सट्रीमिस्ट और द असर्टिव एरा. फिर गांधी ने कहा नहीं, ये दोनों ही तरीके गलत है. हमें बहुत ही एकता के साथ मिलजुल के सत्य की राह पे चल के नॉन वायलेंस के साथ फ्रीडम मिलेगी. बट लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, फनी बात ये थी, गांधी जी हर मूवमेंट स्टार्ट करते थे नॉन वायलेंस के साथ और मूवमेंट एंड होती थी बिकॉज ऑफ
Violence.
वायलेंस. राइट. क्योंकि ब्रिटिशर्स इंडियंस को परेशान इतना करते थे. क्या करते बेचारे. ये कुरकुरे अभी खिलाती हूँ मैं तुम्हें, रुको. अभी तुम्हें 10 रुपए के तुरतुरे खिलाती हूँ मैं. अभी ना, कल आना स्कूल. चलिए. So now I would like to give the golden opportunity to Abhinav Yadav to read while eating kurkuras with the crunch. Abhinav Yadav, read.
The beginning of an organized national movement. With the
National
birth
to
of
any
INC,
movement. There's no national movement.
with the birth of INC in 1885, there began the era of an organized movement. A movement can
National
be divided into
movement. Organized national movement. माइक तो
the
ऑन कर
moderate
लीजिए.
era, the assertive era, the Gandhian era. Each era had its own demands, methodology, and prominent leaders. The modern era. The Congress was led and controlled by the modern leaders during the first 20 years. Famous among them were Dadabhai Naroji, Surendranath Banerjee, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, M.G. Ranade, and Madan Mohan Malviya. They are called moderates because their demands and methods were moderate, following by the major demands, a large share in the administration of the country. Expansion and further reforms in the legislative councils, repeal of the Arm Acts, and separation of execute
अब
from
इन लोगों ने बहुत
judiciary,
सारे
higher
डिमांड
post
रखी
for
कि भाई ये
Indians in
चीजें
the
वापस
public.
होनी ही होनी चाहिए, नहीं हुआ तो आप देखिएगा भाई जो आर्म्स एक्ट के बारे में बोला था कि आप इसको वापस लीजिए, हमें पॉलिटिकल फ्रीडम दीजिए, हमें भी हमारी कंट्री में डिसीजन लेने का हक दीजिए. सो दे स्टार्टेड आस्किंग फॉर देयर राइट्स. दे वर नॉट रॉन्ग अबाउट दैट. पढ़ो.
Evolution of salt tax, reduction in land revenue, and expenditure on military. They wanted the government to pay more attention towards welfare activities such as education, public health, and medical facilities, agriculture, and irrigation.
आगे.
मैं ही पढ़ूँ?
कुरकुरे
तुम्हारा
खाने
बहुत
हैं?
स्टोरी तुम्हारा पढ़ना चाहता
नहीं
है।
यार, आपको नहीं पढ़ना. तुम्हें कुरकुरे खाने हैं क्या?
पढ़ना है उसे। तो मेरा गला खराब है।
तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब हो रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, तुम पढ़ो.
The role and influence of moderates. Some
अच्छा रुक
critics
जाओ.
of the moderates.
ठीक है, सो मॉडरेट से समझ में आ गया. मॉडरेट से अपनी डिमांड रखी, तो पर मॉडरेट से अपनी डिमांड रखी कैसे? गुस्से में या मोहब्बत से, प्यार से?
प्यार से।
प्यार से, बहुत ही प्यार से, कि प्लीज हाथ जोड़ के खड़े हैं उनके आगे, प्लीज कर दीजिए, प्लीज कर दीजिए, हम आपसे सपोर्ट मांगते हैं, ऐसा कर दीजिए, वैसा कर दीजिए. पढ़ो आगे, विमान.
Their methods were described as politically mendicancy, that is, political beginning. Critics feel that the moderates believed in paperwork only and not in action. But the contribution of the moderates cannot be ignored. They provided leadership to the national movements in its early phase. All the moderate leaders were men of high learning, wisdom, and ability. They possessed commanding personalities. They were also able to understand the government's point of view, which they conveyed to the people. Thus, the moderates acted as a bridge between the people and the government. They were also able to successfully point out the shortcomings of the government policies. They paved the way for a vigorous national movement by giving it a sound organizational base.
गुड. ठीक है. सब इसने बताया कि भाई मॉडरेट्स का क्या रोल रहा था. तो मॉडरेट्स भले ही बहुत इफेक्टिव ना भी रहे हो, बट एटलीस्ट दे हैव बीन द वन. अभिनव यादव, माई वो कैमरा ऑफ करने को नहीं बोला मैंने, ठीक है. सो दे हैव प्रोवाइडेड अ रोड मैप ऑन हाउ टू वर्क विद द ब्रिटिशर्स, राइट. उनकी पॉलिसीज हमें समझाने में इनका बहुत बड़ा रोल था, राइट. और हमारी बात उन तक पहुंचाने में इनका बहुत बड़ा रोल था. सो भले ही बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्टिव नहीं हो इनकी मेथोडोलॉजीज, बट कहीं ना कहीं दे आर द वन who have somewhere started it up and who have provided a roadmap on how can we go about it with the national movement, right? Vivan Sharma lead.
The aggressive phase, 1905 to 1919. In 1905, Japan, a small Asian nation, defeated Russia. The Indian National Congress and other nationalists drew inspiration and encouragement from the Japanese victory. The British government had also
Can you tell me
become
which freedom fighter
more
shook his
hostile to
hands
the
with the
Congress.
With the Japanese to eradicate British rule from India? Which revolutionary shook hands or teamed up with the Japanese to provide India freedom from the Britishers? And
मैम
later,
सुभाष चंद्र बोस.
very good, Ayushman. It was Subhash Chandra Bose, and it is believed later on he got betrayed by them only. Matlab, it is his death was very mysterious, so nobody get to know that who betrayed him. But he had been preparing an army of Indians while living outside India. Do you know that? What was that army called?
मैम INA.
वेरी गुड अरसलान. हमारे बी सेक्शन वाले बच्चे ज्यादा जवाब देते हैं सी से वालों से तो, right. So it was the INA, that is the Indian National Army, which was prepared by the Subhash Chandra Bose, right. It included all the Indians who were living on the right, who are living out there, and they have all come together, and it was first time that the army included both men as well as women, and
women.
yeah, and given them equal participation. पढ़िए विमान.
So, at the end of the 19th century, new trends began to emerge in the nationalist movement. The new leaders started realizing that the Indian people could not win their rights by merely appealing to the government. Like the moderates, the aggressives, or assertives also had Swaraj
Your
as their
voice is
objective.
breaking a
They
lot.
taught people to rely on their strides that might be necessary for the service of the country. Thus, the period from 1905 to 1919 was characterized by the aggressive attitude of the leaders, the agitational method of the protest, and the growing political consciousness among the people. The most prominent leaders of aggressives or assertives were Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
पढ़ो बेटा, क्या हो जा रहा है आपको? नेटवर्क में कुछ प्रॉब्लम लग रही है मुझे. Has he left the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
कोई बात नहीं. Arab Gupta, you continue from where he was reading.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, from the last paragraph that he read was thus the period from 1905 to 1999 was.
पढ़ो आगे.
Thus, the period from 1905 from 1919 was characterized by the aggressive attitude of the leaders, the agitational methods of the protest, and the growing political consciousness among the people. The most prominent leaders of the aggressives or assertive were Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, and Aurobindo Ghosh. Aims of the assertives. The assertives aimed at achieving the following goals for India and her people. First, to get Swaraj or complete independence on the issue of freedom. Bal Gangadhar Tilak declared, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Second, to oppose the reactionary attitude of the British bureaucracy and to check their high headedness towards Indians. Third, the strive for the economic prosperity of India and to vehemently oppose British policies which led to India's poverty. Fourth, to revise India's cultural heritage and its glory. Fifth, to inculcate a spirit of self-reliance and self-confidence in the people.
Okay.
Methods of assertives.
ओके वेट. राइट, तो अभी हमने पढ़ा था इनके बारे में. अभी हमने इससे पहले पढ़ा था मॉडरेट्स के बारे में, राइट. जब हम मॉडरेट्स की बात किया तो हमने पढ़ा था कि भाई दे बिलीव टू डू एवरीथिंग वेरी क्वाइटली इन अ वेरी सिंपल मैनर. बट दी असर्टिव्स, इनको हम असर्टिव्स भी कहते हैं, इनको हम अग्रेसिव्स भी कहते हैं, इनको हम एक्सट्रीमिस्ट भी कहते हैं. देयर अप्रोच वॉज एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट ऑफ वॉट द अप्रोच ऑफ द मॉडरेट्स वर. राइट, मैंने आपको एक्सट्रीमिस्ट के कुछ लीडिंग लीडर्स का नाम बताया था. द सेम नेम्स यू हैव रेड इन द बुक एज वेल, है ना. एंड दीज पीपल बिलीव व्हाट इज आर्स वी हैव टू हैव इट बाय हुक और बाय क्रुक. राइट, the land belongs to us, the country belongs to us, it is ours, and now we will snatch it away back from them. Right, if they can give us quietly without any hustle, it's fine. But if they won't, then we have to bring our aggressive side out. Right? We can't help it. जैसे कि तभी आपने सुना होगा कि जो इनके स्लोगन्स थे या उनके जो chants थे उसमें भी आप सुन सकते हो, लाइक बलाबाल, वो he says, Bal Gangadhar Tilak says that Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Now in this statement, he is not requesting them. He is demanding it, that it is mine and I will have it. You have to give it to me anyhow. Okay, so that is the difference between moderates and extremists. ये difference एग्जाम में भी पूछने को आ जाता है, अगर आप जैसे अभी आगे पढ़ेगा ये ways of extremists, तो जहाँ पे moderates जो प्यार से plea और petitions हो जाते थे, वहीं पे जो extremists थे, they believe that everything should be done राइट, बहुत ज्यादा प्लानिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए, तुरंत जैसा है वैसा कर देना चाहिए, you don't need to be righteous all the time, right? These was what their beliefs were. पढ़ो आरव.
Methods of assertives. In their methods, the assertives believed in political action. They had great faith in the strength of the people. They thought that Indians should work out their own salvation. They must be prepared to undergo sufferings and sacrifices for the sake of their
मतलब
nation.
उन्होंने कहा था आपको
For this
रेडी रहना
purpose,
पड़ेगा, if you really want something for your nation then you need to be ready for sacrifices as well. You may need to sacrifice yourself, you may need to sacrifice your loved ones, but if you really want freedom of the country then you need to be ready with this.
For this purpose, the assertives adopted a threefold action plan, namely A. Boycott of foreign goods, B. Swadeshi, and C. National education. Their program also included non-cooperation with the British and not to help them in case of a war. Example, the First World War. The Swaraj was to be achieved by mass action, not by political mendicancy.
राइट, मतलब वो चाहते हैं कि स्वराज हमें
Achievements.
सिर्फ पॉलिटिक्स से नहीं मिलेगा, अगर हमें स्वराज चाहिए then we need to bring all the people together, we all have to come together, we all have to show them our power of togetherness, then only we'll be able to compel them to give us स्वराज. सिर्फ पॉलिटिक्स खेल खेल के नहीं हो पाएगा, सिर्फ पॉलिटिकली उनके आगे भीख मांग के नहीं होगा ऐसा. We need to go and stand there for ourselves and for our country.
Achievements of the assertives. The assertives were able to achieve a lot. They succeeded in popularizing the ideal of Swaraj amongst the masses. Thus, they gave a mass base to the national movement.
वैसे
They
जो
placed in
चीज
the hands
शायद
of
मॉडरेट्स नहीं कर पाए थे वो काम असर्टिव्स करने में काफी हद तक सक्सेसफुल रहे थे. मॉडरेट सिर्फ प्ली और पिटिशन ही करते रह गए थे, जहां पे असर्टिव ने अपनी काफी सारी हद तक डिमांडें पूरी भी करवाई थी, एंड उनकी डिमांड पूरी होती हुई लोगों ने देखी तो उन्हें इंस्पिरेशन मिली, मोटिवेशन मिला दैट इफ दे कैन गेट द डिमांड्स फुलफिल्ड सो कैन वी, एंड इफ दिस कैन हैपन देन वी कैन इवन गेट फ्रीडम टू, राइट? एंड दैट इज व्हाई पीपल स्टार्टेड एसोसिएटिंग देमसेल्व्स विद द नेशनल movement.
they placed in the hands of the people two very important means of mass action, namely boycott and Swadeshi, which were later on adopted by Gandhiji and the Indian National Congress INC. The partition of Bengal.
Stop
The
it here
pro-
only. A partition of Bengal हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे, मे बी टुमारो बिकॉज अभी 1 मिनट में क्लास ओवर होने वाली है. ठीक है, सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू ज्वाइन टुमारो एंड keep your cameras on tomorrow as well. That's it. Have a good day. Incomplete your
Bye,
work,
ma'am.
जिसका भी कंप्लीट नहीं है. बाय
Bye
बाय,
bye.
जिसका भी वर्क कंप्लीट नहीं है प्लीज कंप्लीट योर वर्क. ठीक है.